filmed this intro about 100 times now because I'm just an awkward piece of shit and I don't know what to do. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm going to be doing a cleaning my apartment at 2 a.m. because my apartment reflects on my life, and my life is a mess. That was the worst bowl I've ever seen in my life. I will never do it again. I'm sorry, I don't know how to dance. I also don't know how to swim, and I also can't whistle. I can't skate. I can't do a lot of things, but you know what? Please subscribe. It's 12:31 right now, and I'm gonna clean my apartment. I know this is a 2 a.m. video, but we all know that cleaning anything takes about 6 hours for me because I procrastinate everything, and I just have the shortest attention span. I can't do it for more than 5 minutes. Before this video starts, I just want to mention, why is it that everyone is now cleaning their room, especially at 2 a.m.? Did I start a trend? Maybe, but like I have been doing this for 2 years, and no one has given a shit until now, so yeah. For everyone that says I do these videos too much, I haven't posted one like over a month, so sue me. Don't watch this video. Just kidding. Please watch this video, click on the ads, don't skip the ads. I'd love you forever. This is the overview of my apartment. As you guys can see, it's obviously not the cleanest, but that's why we're filming this video today, to clean it. Yes, there's food on the coffee table. My room, we're not even gonna talk about it. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Just leave me alone. Yes, I'm wearing Crocs in the house. This is my bathroom, and yes, I'm just carrying a huge tripod around. I'm currently in the progress of decorating my apartment, so there's literally my life is picture frames everywhere, but I just need to find a place to store that until I get it done. But like, all this mess in my living room is me trying to decorate my apartment. So if you guys aren't OGs and you guys don't know about any of my other cleaning my room videos, you guys wouldn't know that I usually play music when I clean my room because like that's just fun, you know? But YouTube is being a little bitch. Keeps copyrighting all my videos, and I'm becoming I said I would never. Sorry, but I'm becoming broke. I cannot unfortunately play music in my videos because I would, you know, like to not be living on the streets. But if you guys would like to help, please just don't skip the ads. That's all I ask of you, and like maybe click on it once in a while. Just thanks. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up this mess. All of these picture frames and everything. Hey Google, play my throwbacks playlist. Follow my Spotify link down in the description box below if you guys wanna know my playlist, because I can't play it on my YouTube because like I said, if I do, I will literally live on the streets. So enjoy this cute time lapse. I need to go to the gym. I can't even lift these. Stop texting me. Just kidding, it's probably my mom. No one else texts me. So now I'm gonna clean up this desk area. I was doing some arts and crafts, so it's like kind of messy. Why did my lisp get so goddamn heavy in like that one clip? Like, hi everyone, it's May 1st, and guess what it's doing outside? Snowing. Oh my god, I need to stop doing that. It's snowing though. S-N-O-W-I-N-G. Holy f***, that made me look so stupid. I promise you, I know how to spell. Even though I'm not in high school anymore, I still know how to spell. I just like need to like write it down. I just can't imagine words. Whatever, you guys don't give a shit. Let me show you guys. It is snowing. What is that? Y'all, it's May 1st. What the f***, Canada? Someone puked on my deck the other day. That was pretty cool.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Wow, we have the dining room table done. Now I just gotta kind of clean the rest of my kitchen. I'm just gonna quickly put the glasses away on the counter. Metal straws, save the turtles, link down in the description box below. Just kidding, I'm not gonna drink that. This is gross. I need to load up my dishwasher, and I feel like it'd be an aesthetically pleasing shot of me showing you guys me loading up my dishwasher. So what are we gonna do? Show you.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
I just took like a 30-minute break on my phone because I just don't want to clean. But now I'm gonna wipe down my counters because I spill so much on here, like iced coffee. Ugh, my back hurts. I don't know why my back hurts. I don't do shit. I don't know if this is satisfying or gross, but this is what the towel looks like after wiping everything down. I am uncomfortably hot right now, so I'm gonna change, but I'm like gonna do like a cool like transition. I usually never do anything fancy, so this is all you're gonna get. Ready? 3, 2. Oh my god, you can probably see. I can't like actually jump too high or else I'm gonna get demonetized. The kitchen's clean now. I just gotta lightly clean up my living room. This is like the oldest food that I have here. And it's not even that old. Be proud of me, okay? I used to have like 2-week-old food. But now this is only like a day old food. I have mangoes and broccoli. It smells fine. Okay, wow, the living room's clean. I took another 30-minute break because time to clean my room. The moment you guys have all been waiting for. Basically, this is my room. I kind of already did an overview, but like, it's literally my life is just a bunch of clothes because I'm incapable of folding clothes. You all know this. I also need to clean my bathroom. I need to figure out my clothes situation. Now I'm gonna organize my clothes and put the dirty clothes in my hamper. I don't get how I used to be able to stay up this late. I mean, like, sometimes I can do it now, but like, I used to do this every day. I used to stay up for like 50 hours and be chilling, but I can't fucking do that now. I enjoy my sleep. I get like 12 hours of sleep a day. I know that sounds unhealthy. I mean, it is unhealthy. I don't know, someone WebMD that shit, but like, I like my sleep, you know? $2:26 right now, and I definitely feel like I could do this tomorrow. We're gonna finish this tomorrow.
The next day.
Hi everyone, it's the next day. It's like 3 o'clock. I woke up at like 2 because piece of shit. I moved all my clothes from in my room in here so that I can fold them and everything. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean up my clothes. Okay, update. It's like what am I saying? It's like 10 hours later and I'm back here again. As you can tell, I procrastinate a lot. I don't like to get shit done. Anyways, let's get back to cleaning. I really wish that YouTube, you know, didn't copyright because I remember back then, it's not even that long ago, maybe like a couple months ago, you know, you could add songs into your videos as long as it's like under 10 seconds, you were fine. That was back then. Now, videos are boring. My YouTube channel is dead without music because you guys never gave a shit about me. You guys gave a shit about the music that I was showing you guys. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do anymore. What's up, y'all? It's 2 hours later and I'm still not done. But you know what we're gonna do? Go to 7-Eleven because I'm hungry. This is not a part of my cleaning my room video, but you know what? Things don't go as planned. Clearly, you're on my channel. You know what shoes we need? The Crocs. And yes, I do have a knife right there. Grab the keys. My dumb didn't see that. Yes. Y'all, tell me why I just saw the cutest guy at 7-Eleven. We both ended up like leaving at the same time, and then he saw my camera, he was like, "Are you vlogging?" And I was like, "Yes," and he smiled and but like, he was cute. I'm never gonna see him again. We walked opposite directions. Today I'm gonna do a haul for you guys what I got. I have this hot dog and I'm pretty plain Jane. Did I for real just describe the hot dog as plain Jane? I got pickles, relish, and ketchup. Oh, and then I also got hickory sticks and pickles. Hi everyone, it's like 2 hours later and it's now 2:33 a.m. So we are back again the next day cleaning my room at 2 a.m. again because I just was watching Billie Eilish videos and I don't know. I'm tired, but I need to upload this video in like 12 hours. Okay, ready? Speed cleaning. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna clean my bathroom now and then I'll clean my room. I don't know if this is satisfying or disgusting to you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. Wow. Y'all, look at how fucking disgusting my countertop is. Disgusting.
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a disgusting?
Back at it again with another update, and as you guys can see, it's bright outside because it's 6 a.m. because I just can't. So I'm gonna make my bed and then we can pick up all the dirty off the floor. And go to the bathroom. Anyways. I just installed my new light bulb into this, and I bought this like a month ago, and I just haven't been able to get a light bulb in it. But look, how cute is this? I love it, and you can adjust the lighting on here. Wow! Guys, we are almost done. Now I just have like this area left. I bought this cute basket from the dollar store just to throw all the miscellaneous things in. Look, now it just looks a lot more organized. This hallway area when you walk in, all of these paintings and stuff aren't gonna be cleaned up because I need to finish my apartment, so I'm just gonna conveniently leave them out here. I need to put those boxes and stuff away and have a few like laundry detergents and stuff I need to put away, so I'll time lapse that for you guys. Y'all wanna see something cool? Abracadabra, bitch. Wow. I never use it though. It's annoying as f. Let me demonstrate. Whenever you walk by, it just f***ing opens. Alright, so the last thing to do is vacuum the house. That was a horrible, that wasn't even a woe. Anyways, I got a new vacuum. This is it. I'm pretty proud of it. Pretty happy that I got it. If you guys didn't know, I've done probably 8 cleaning my room videos now. 9. I don't f***ing know. I've been doing this for 2 years. It's been a long time, okay? And I used to never vacuum my floors because if I'm doing it at 2 a.m., it's too loud. But this one's like not that loud and you can bring it around with you and stuff like that. Pretty freaking cool. So it's now like 7 a.m. I'm gonna finally show you guys my clean apartment. I'm not gonna show you guys like too in depth because I'm gonna film an apartment tour once everything is done. This hallway messy as heck because I need to finish cleaning. Didn't touch my sister's room. I don't want to clean for her. This is her bathroom. I'm not cleaning for her. Anyways, wow. Clean floors. Clean countertops. Kind of clean stove. Whatever. There's no dishes in the sink. Just kidding. There's a fork. Never mind. Wow. Organization. Clean floors. Clean countertop. Clean. Crocs on the floor, but I don't give a shit. Wow. A made bed. Wow. No clothes on the floor. Oh my god. A clean countertop. What? Yeah, it doesn't look clean, but that's just like the way that the countertop is. Anyways, that's that. I look so dead, but that's just because I am. Anyways, I was just about to say I'm gonna go to bed, but I'm really not. I'm gonna, you know, grind out and do another vlog today. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like these cleaning my room videos, just to remind you again, I have like 8 more of these that you can binge watch if you want. I suggest you do. Subscribe if you guys want to. Follow my social medias on the screen right here to be updated on what I'm doing. Please follow me, please and thanks. I would really appreciate it. That's it for the video. Peace out, Girl Scouts.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, I'm sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see.